Hey guys, I have a very exciting announcement for you today, something that has been years in the making. The doors to Startup Society are finally open. Now, I've been mentioning this off and on over the past few weeks as we've been getting closer and closer to the launch of Startup Society, but I just wanted to sit down with you guys for a couple minutes today and share with you a little bit about what Startup Society is, what it offers to the members, and a little bit of backstory about, where it came from and what its purpose is. Okay, so first off, Startup Society is my online membership community for aspiring entrepreneurs. It's both an online community that allows you to connect with other action-taking entrepreneurs and get really inspired and motivated by what other people are doing. And it's also a comprehensive training program that teaches you absolutely everything you need to know to build a profitable online business and create success for yourself. Startup Society is something that I first dreamed of about 3 years ago, but I had no idea how to turn it into reality. I just knew that I really wanted to find a way to teach other people how to start online businesses so that they could have the flexible lifestyle that I really enjoy having for myself. But the thing was that I didn't really know how to do that. I didn't know what it would look like at all. I had no idea about all of the tech aspects of getting such a program set up, and I also didn't know how to build a community and how to tell people about it effectively. So this has been a long time coming. Just like any goal, it required a lot of planning and hard work, but it also required figuring a lot of things out and learning a lot of things along the way. And I also want to say a big thank you to you guys, because it really wouldn't be possible for me to create this community for entrepreneurs if it weren't for you guys having found me here on YouTube and in other places of the internet, finding me on my blog, finding me in my Facebook group, different things like that. We've just developed such a great community of people who are interested in taking action and creating success for themselves at this point that now this is possible, and it really wouldn't have been possible without the support of you guys. There is so much included inside Startup Society, and I don't want to go into all the details right here, right now. If you want to find out everything that members get, make sure you click the link in the description of this video and you'll find out all the details. But I just wanted to tell you about 3 of the biggest things that members get. Now, starting with the very biggest thing, I have a brand new program. It's called Startup Success, and it basically is a group program that teaches you everything you need to know to build a successful online business. It's based on the 7-step formula or the 7-step framework that I use with my one-on-one clients, and this is the process that I use to help them build really successful online businesses. It starts with choosing what kind of business you want to start, and then refining your message so that customers and your audience actually knows what you offer, and you know what you offer, and you know what value you're bringing, and then it goes on to work on the appearance of your online presence, so getting a nice looking website or nice looking YouTube channel set up. And then the next step is to get visibility so that you can actually grow your audience, because the thing that so many people forget is that people can't follow you, people can't subscribe to you, people can't read your blog if they've never even heard from you. So that's the next step, is getting visibility. And then in the next step, you develop a product, something that your audience actually wants, which makes it a whole lot easier to sell it to them. The next step is learning how to drive sales in a way that is really comfortable and makes sense, and is a lot more about showing your audience how the product can get them exactly what they want, and a whole lot less about being salesy or even about being persuasive. And then the last 2 steps are automate your business so that you can reclaim your time and spend a lot less time running your business, and then to scale your business and scale your profits so that your business can grow and make more money. So this is the 7-step process that I usually work with clients on to build a really successful business for them that supports whatever lifestyle they're dreaming of. And during July and August, we're all going to be walking through that program as a group, and you'll get to learn exactly what my one-on-one clients learn. All right, so that's the first big thing that members get. The second big thing is that Startup Society members get unlimited access to every single one of my online courses. These are the same courses that I normally sell for a couple $100s each on my website, and I've had literally hundreds of people go through them at this point and learn so much about how to take specific actions to grow their online business. You might remember that last month we did the channel launch course where people learned how to grow a successful YouTube channel. There's also courses about how to self-publish and launch your own book, or how to get traffic for your blog, or how to really attract clients easily online. Okay, and then the third thing that members get is they get to join our online membership community, where they get to interact with the other members and get inspired and even get matched up with an accountability partner. Okay, so like I said, there is a bunch more benefits of Startup Society that the members all get, and you can click the link in the description of this video to find out all those details. But I just wanted to share with you that Startup Society doors are now open. They're only going to be open for 1 week until Tuesday, June 19th, and then at that point they're going to be closing again, because we really want to welcome all of the members in at one time so that we can be a community that gets to know each other. So the doors won't be opening again for at least 6 more months. Now, if you are an aspiring entrepreneur who wants to learn how to build an online business and create a flexible income for yourself, then I would like to invite you to join us. I know that you will get so much out of a Startup Society membership, and that you'll learn everything you need to know to really create the success that you desire. All right, well, that's all I have to say to you guys today. I really hope that you'll consider joining us, and I hope that I'll see you inside Startup Society, inside the membership community, that I'll get to know you a little bit inside of there, and that we can work together to achieve whatever big goals you have for yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be back again tomorrow on Thursday with another video on the regular schedule, and I hope that you guys decide to join us for that one too.